Here are the top 5 meme coins you might want to load up on before the start of September. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Omar Khan, and today we're looking at top 5 meme coins to load up on. Right now the market is down about 2%. Fear Greed Index at a 43 neutral, kind of in a poopy situation. We're taking a look at the most top meme coins are in the red, which actually gives us a significant buying opportunity. Let's go ahead and jump into this list. First coin being Pepe coin. The reason why I'm highlighting Pepe coin specifically is on the past month is down nearly 38%, and I believe the past 60 days this project is down about 40 to 55%, which is absolutely crazy, and I think there could be a solid opportunity to make a bag with Pepe coin. The fact that it's already down just 40%, just that swift recovery is going to make you a solid gain. But also when we look at the all-time, there's still some massive growth to be made, let alone just its 1 month's loss. If it goes to its all-time highs from here, we could be seeing a significant bag, so you may want to load up on Pepe being one of the most popular meme coins. It's literally ranked at number 3 with one of the highest market caps even across the crypto board. It is a top 25 cryptocurrency with a $3 billion market cap, and honestly when it was peaking it was sitting close to $5 to $6 billion market cap, which anticipates going to return to very soon. So you may want to consider loading up a bag of Pepe before the end of August. Now to the next token on the list. This token is a token that's currently in pre-sale, which is coming to an end. This one is Play Doge, the best play to earn Doge companion game. So they basically made a play to earn style game with a Doge theme and mixing the concept of Tamagotchi as well. This project is ending its pre-sale in 6 days. They already raised $6 million in the pre-sale alone, so you're not going to want to miss out on this. It's been featured on a ton of different articles, blog posts all over the web. It's been garnering a ton of attention. They have a solid roadmap in place with 4 solid phases, great tokenomics, and cherry on top, guys, the tokens offering staking as well, currently paying a 75 AP. So you may want to load up a bag of Play Doge if you're interested in pre-sale gems, especially if you love meme tokens. Now we're talking about Pepe Play Doge. The third token on the list is also on pre-sale, and interestingly enough, it's a Pepe themed token. This project is about to hit its $10 million milestone, and the pre-sale is not even near its end. So Pepe now has its own blockchain. Congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy now and stake during pre-sale to max out your rewards before the price skyrockets. Talking about some pretty hefty rewards, this project is paying a 209% AP. It's Pepe on chain, better speeds, better gains, same delicious Pepe flavor, instant bridging between ETH and Pepe, low transaction fee, high volume capacity, 100x faster than ETH, and a dedicated block explorer. This project is not to be slept on, guys. It's going to do some massive things. The fact that it's raised almost $10 million in the pre-sale alone goes to show how much investor confidence is behind this project with a massive earning incentive. This is absolutely insane, and you'd almost be foolish not to load up on this token. Now, the next token on the list, back to meme coins, is Dog with Hat. This project has been taking a significant nosedive as well, and I anticipate it's going to have a swift recovery. The market cap is sitting at $1.3 billion, making this a top number 4 cryptocurrency, also ranked 50 in terms of the global cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap, which is again a massive player in the space. On the week we're down nearly 22%, and on the month we are down a whopping 45%. Again, even down almost more than Pepe token, which goes to show when the meme markets are going to be in full force, we are going to see Dog with Hat pump like crazy, as well as Pepe, Play Doge, and Pepu. We could go ahead and look at the crypto markets, guys. We can see Bitcoin has been trending for the past week now, and this is a typical cycle we see. The altcoins start to pump first, then the meme coins come second, which gives a tremendous opportunity for loading up. And again, guys, you're not necessarily making your profits when you sell, you make your profits when you buy. So when you buy on these minus 45 days and they continue to pump, that's when you're going to make the absolute most profit and the most out of your bag. So you may want to consider uploading up on Dog with Hat, one of the most popular meme coins, again on the Solana chain as well, which has been just doing some tremendous things this bull run. Last token on the list, also a dog themed token that has a lot of attention on social media, is Bonk, down 3% of the day. On the week we're down a whopping 13%, and the month we're down a whopping 40%. So we're seeing meme coins across the board wiped out 40%, giving us a massive 40% off discount and a great time to load up. This project is ranked 54 on CoinMarketCap at a $1.22 billion market cap, which is again nothing to be shy from. This absolutely massive. Bonk, again, one of those I would like to call this a social media token. because when we talk about meme coin, it's all about community, and community comes down to social presence, and Bonk has been doing just a phenomenal job. You see Bonk announces an official presence partner for Dubai based baseball United, the first professional baseball league focused on the Middle East. So again, a massive sponsorship acquired. They've been in boxing events, UFC events. They're basically everywhere. They understand how to get in front of the eyes of people, and for that reason alone, when we do hit a meme coin gold rush, I think Bonk is going to be a top player in the space. That is my top 5 list, guys, of meme coins to buy in August before September starts. So let me know what you think about this list in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Was there a project you think I missed? Let me know in the comment section below. That wraps the video. Until next time, it is your friend Umar. Peace.